Hello friends, welcome to Woodworking Zone. From today we start Evergreen Woodworking Topics series, and today is day 1 of this series. In this series we will learn that Introduction to Essential Woodworking Tools, Basic Woodworking Techniques for Beginners, Understanding Wood Types and Selection, Safety Tips and Practices in Woodworking, Wood Joinery Methods, Step-by-step guide to building a basic wooden furniture piece, Tips for achieving smooth and flawless wood finishes, Creative woodworking project ideas for home decor, Common woodworking mistakes and how to avoid them, Advanced woodworking skills, carving, turning, and inlay techniques, Introduction to woodworking design principles, Upcycling and repurposing wood for eco-friendly projects, Building custom cabinets and shelves, design and construction tips, How to set up a functional woodworking workshop at home, Exploring specialty woodworking tools and their uses.
Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just beginning your journey with wood, this series is crafted to ignite your passion for the craft and empower you to create beautiful, functional pieces that stand the test of time.
So grab your chisels, sharpen your saws, and join us on this journey through the rich tapestry of woodworking. Together, let's unlock the beauty and potential of this timeless craft.
And we will know in the next video of this series. Introduction to Essential Woodworking Tools. Thanks till then. Subscribe to Woodworking Zone to learn about woodworking.